Meet Bob. Bob had a good job and made decent money, but he had no life outside work. He spent 50 or 60 hours a week at the office with no time for family, friends, or fun. Bob was miserable. Then his own full-service lending and financial services company. He provides something that everybody wants and or needs: money. Functioning like a branch of a bank, Bob connects consumers and businesses with international, national, and private lenders who are lining up for a chance to loan money. Bob helps people buy homes and companies expand, all while earning more money through commissions than he ever could at his 9-to-5 job. But that's not all. In addition to residential, consumer, and commercial lending, Bob provides services such as debt settlement, student loan consolidation, and credit repair. By meeting so many different needs, he's creating customers for life. Help you become licensed while providing the tools, resources, and knowledge to succeed. You'll get fresh client leads as our expert trainers teach you to develop your own sources. You'll have access to lifetime training and support, as well as a 401k program and health, dental, vision, and life insurance. There's a one-time startup fee and no franchise or royalty fees after the initial purchase. In just a very short time, you'll own your own recession-proof business. There will always be a demand for money, and you'll be uniquely positioned to provide it. So, aren't you ready to be like Bob? Today, he has the money, time, and freedom to follow his dreams. Isn't it time you joined him?